Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this one I'm going to be showing you how to track the number of hours you spend coding every day. So the first step is to come to this site, workertime.com. You can look at it here. I'm going to log in because I've already created an account earlier. For you, I would advise that you sign up. So I'm going to use the login with GitHub feature here because I signed up using GitHub. So I'm going to click login, give it some time, and we are now in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of worker time, and this is where we get to see the number of hours we spent coding. So let me just give you a brief overview of this dashboard. Over here, this part where we have 5 hours 26 minutes, this shows us the number of hours we spent in the last 7 days. I just heard about worker time just a few weeks ago, and that's why you can see that my time is this low. So please spare me. Then next up, worker time also shows us the number of hours we spent daily. So for me over here, you can see we have 11 minutes today. And another interesting thing is that it shows us the number of time we spent on each project. So let's look at mine over here. So for this project named app, I've worked on it for 4 hours 35 minutes, and for this 39 minutes, and this 11 minutes. Worker time is very accurate in the sense that it actually tracks the time when you are actually coding. If you just open up VS Code and leave it there, it's not going to track the time. It only tracks when you are actually typing those code and working. So this is the first step. Make sure you sign up on this platform and make sure you are on this dashboard. The second step is to go to your favorite code editor. For me, it is VS Code. So come to the extension tab, type in worker time, and you are going to see this extension over here. It has 2.3 million downloads. So you have to install it. I've already installed mine, and you can see over here. So for you who is a first timer, when installing, it is going to prompt you to connect to your GitHub. Just follow the steps and it's very easy and you'll be good to go. So after that, you have completely set up your worker time extension and it's going to get connected to your dashboard over here. So on your dashboard here, you can come in and see the number of hours you spent on each project per day, or you can view it over here. But I've noticed that this guy here isn't that accurate, so I usually use the dashboard here. So I hope you found this helpful. One last thing to know is that worker time has a leaderboard. It shows the total number of users and number of time they've spent. So you can see this guy over here has an average of 15 hours a day. If you scroll down through, you see different users from different countries and their stack. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, subscribe to support me, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.